for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe it will come naturally. My name is Aubrey Martin, 22 years old, from the sweetest mango in the world, province of Zambales. Thank you so much.
Traveled for almost 15 hours just to be here. And to see all your beautiful faces makes all my efforts worth it. Kaya sa nilayo-layo pa ho ng aking pinanggalingan, wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Wala rin ho bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Teaching is my passion. Caloocan is my destination. And you, Barangay Captain, where are you? He is my inspiration. The girl is standing in front of your naked eye, so fresh, into the innocence of a 23 years old stunner, humbly uplifting the Ilocanos of North Luzon. It is I, Queen Ringo Antonio. Humbly uplifting the home of the most delicious patupat, municipality of Ballesteros, province of Cagayan. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English at Cagayan State University Andrews Campus. Ako ho ay isang proud na scholar ng bayan. Ako rin ho ay isang proud cum laude. And recently, I passed the licensure examination for professional teachers. And now, I'm currently studying my master's degree, Masters of Arts in English at St. Paul University. And I believe that tonight, whether you be a man, a woman, or a member of the LGBT community, we are all created by one God. Therefore, therefore, we are all worthy of love, understanding, and care. So sit back and relax, and candidate number 2 will be back for you. Thank you.
People of Caloocan, hi! Hello! Hep hep! Hooray! San ka punta? Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag, napintas, kanaragsak, narabi, kanatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one, to our distinguished and honorable panel of the Board of Judges. Good evening at magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 23-year-old stunner. I am hailing all the way from the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. And yes, I am your recently crowned as your 2026 Queen of Quiapo Universe. I am ML Tukay, and for this evening, hayaan niyo pong mag-iwan ako ng mga simpleng katagang kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ng antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan, maging ang ating mga kayamanan, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman hindi mawawala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, judges, I am your candidate number 3. And for this evening, I am your one and only Ilocana Pangasinense candidate to stand on the stage. But allow me to compete until the end, and I will give you a show you'll definitely learn from. And for tonight, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume that represents a modern Filipina woman. Kahit napakainit ng panahon, tagaktak man ang pawis, ngayong gabi, tayo ay magkakaroon lamang ng simpleng kaligayahan at naway sa inyong pag-uwi, mayroon kayong matutunan at baong magandang aral. Marami pong salamat.
Ipakita na ang Pilipinas, oh, ang galing ng Pilipino. Ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino, Pilipinas. Ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino.
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala rin pong maaagawan ng jowa dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masagabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. Ngunit bago po sana ako magsimula, maaari ko po bang kunin ang atensyon ng ating mga inampalan ngayong gabi para sa isang patimpalak na tiyak kong inyo pong magugustuhan. The physical attribute of a person as time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words may become your action, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yonil Torayno Cebuche, a 25-year-old stunner, all the way from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila and took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies. And currently, I am taking up my Master's in Communication, major in Forensic Linguistics at the University of the Philippines, Open University Dalaman. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since there's a battle of screen name, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan niya rin po akong napanood sa telepantoseryeng Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira at ang babaeng minsang nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos na nagsasabing, ability will bring you to the top, but it takes character to keep you there. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent, dignified and honored to say to you that I am wearing the representation of what we are celebrating this month, the Flores de Mayo. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Sabay-sabay ka. Natatayo yung vlogger. Para makita mo sila.
Nagsasalita. Charot lamang po yun. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala po bang mas malakas na hiyawan dyan? Thank you very, very much. May tagpa plus 10 kayo sa langit. Well, ladies and gentlemen, celebrating beauty and diversity, this program aims to promote the beauty and richness of our diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Caloocan, standing in front of you is a 28-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful serenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Banyes Pakulan. I am your Queen of Quezon City 2018, your Miss International Queen Philippines NCR 2023, and your newly crowned Miss Gay San Fernando La Union Universe 2026. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel, Board of Judges, talking about national, cultural, or creative costume. This elegant ensemble represent the timeless beauty and grace of Filipino fashion. I am wearing a modern Filipiniana, and this depicts a significant connection to the divine feminine, loving, selfless, compassionate. Ladies, gentlemen, and panel, Board of Judges, please do remember my number. I am your candidate number 5. Because tonight, I will give you the best show and the night that you will never, ever forget. Magandang gabi.
Tinig ng aking sandata, hawig ng hangin, hawig ng kalayaan, di kailanman guguho.
Dahil maganda po ako,
kaunti. Sexy po ako, kaunti. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kaunti. Dagdagan nyo pa, kaunti. At hiyawan, kaunti. Salamat po, kaunti. The national costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Paro Paro Festival of Dance Marinas Cavite that symbolizes transformation and personal growth. Ako po, si Summer Jane Corpus, 19 years old, all the way last from the Manila's Northeast Edge, Santa Mesa, Manila! And I am your recently crowned Queen of Quiapo International 2026. And people of Caloocan, I am your newly crowned Marangalian Fairy Queen 2026. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the controversial, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Jake Cuenca, ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Chi Filomeno. Chi Filomeno na nagsasabing, noon ang mga babae tinitignan dahil magaganda. Ngayon, ang mga magaganda tinitignan kung tunay na mga babae. Happy Fiesta, Caloocan City! I will not ask you to mark my number, but one thing is for sure, you will remember me because it's summertime. Thank you very much.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. For I always believe that love is the real essence of life. Because that is a wonderful feeling that we can find in the hearts of everyone. To the simplest and to the highest crowns meant here in earth, it is really unfathomable. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 22 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multivax, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila, and I always believe si bis amare amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 7. Just sit back and relax because it's showtime.
nako, Caloocan. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Tonight is not just a celebration of beauty. It is a celebration of courage, grace, and identity that unite us all. Serving you, Trans Excellency, from a pure-blooded Tamarao, this is Nicole Ayala Gakongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. Tonight, we are dominated by mestiza beauties. And judges, let me show you the real definition of your Morgana beauty. Tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, your Reina Hispano-Americana 2017, and your one and only Latina Slayer, Teresita Winwin Marquez. And judges, I may not have the titles that I have previously mentioned before, nor famous just like the other candidates. But I would like to remind you that I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to blaze trails. Good evening.
A true beauty shines not only in physical perfection, but the courage to inspire, the heart to uplift, and the grace to create a meaningful impact here in this world. Wearing a national costume is not how big or elegant it is, because the true meaning of wearing a national costume is how you present it with pride and authenticity. The national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is a modern Filipiniana, Mama Mary inspired, that symbolizes femininity, faith, and courage of every Filipino woman in our country. People of Caloocan, for the last time, wala ho bang masigabong palakpakan dyan? Wala din ho bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? At lalong-lalo na, wala din ho bang pa-Gcash dyan? Joke lamang ho. Tonight is not just only a competition, but a celebration of beauty, talent, and advocacies of our country, the modern Trans Pinay. That is why we united here, not just to showcase our beautiful face, nor our beautiful body, but we united here because we have advocacy. And my advocacy in life is to promote the inclusive, equitable quality of education to the young generation. Dahil sabi nga ng mga matatanda ng edukasyon, ang pinaka natatanging mahalagang yaman na kailanman ay hinding-hindi maagaw sa iyo ng iba. Standing in front of your naked eye is a fresh and indeed innocent 18-year-old sinner, hailing all the way from the vibrant capital, from the vibrant Lakbayo Festival of the Philippines, Tondo, Manila. My name is Heaven Humawan,
But for tonight, allow me to carry the image of one of the most beautiful faces in show business, ang babaeng pinagpepyestihan ng mga kalalakihan at ang babaeng tinaguriang Madonna sa Batang Quiapo. Sabay-sabay ho nating palakpakan at hiyawan ang pinabatang version ni Miss Kim Domingo. Miss Kim Domingo na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na ang lalaking hindi marunong lumingon sa kaniyang pinagalingan ay natulala sa aking kagandahan. Judges, I'm your candidate number 9. Ako man po ang nasa huli, ngunit hinding-hindi magpapahuli. Marami pong salamat.